This is my 1983 Honda Nighthawk 550 CS. It's got a new front tire, white wall. It's got a rare white wall tire that comes with it. Brand new, both of them. These handlebars are off of the 45 Magna. Paint is original. See, there's a couple of flaws. There's a particular one right here. I don't know if I'm getting it yet or not, but some scuffs there. The side cover needs some work. Got the original exhaust on it. No rust on the exhaust, except maybe on the bottom, I don't know. Just had new spark plugs put in it just today. Running like a champion. $18,000 miles. It's cold natured, just like most Hondas. Brakes are good. I don't know what else to say about it. I'm asking $3,500 or best offer. May consider trades for a trike. Might even be able to throw in a second bike, that 1980 CB750 that's been repainted, frame up. Runs like a champion. Alright, that's it. Thank you.